Welcome back. Please excuse my voice. I'm fighting a respiratory infection right now. So I got this box from Soto. This is stuff I ordered. This is not one of their subscription boxes, but just thought I'd take you along, show you what I got from them. So this is just a nice little card here. It talks about rewards and collecting cards and codes and stuff, so something to hang on to. Beautiful tissue paper here. It says Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And then I got a free gift, which this is wrapped in a really nice little doily, which you can use for your junk journals pretty easily. And let me see, we'll pull this out, see what we got here. There. Oh, it's just packed. All kinds of stuff in here. Wow. Was not expecting all that. So anyway, we have pretty little yellow flower sticker. Looks kind of like a beach couple sticker. A tag. It says teas and coffees. Some colored dots. Let's see. Okay, these are not stickers. I guess you could cut them apart and use the words. Some, looks like maybe PET washi tape, maybe. There. Another PET type washi tape. This is flowers. Another one with flowers. Very pretty. And then a couple of papers. Some beautiful prints on them. Very nice. And I really appreciate that. I don't often get free gifts in boxes when I order stuff, so it's really kind of nice. I'm just going to set that to the side. And then another free gift. And this looks like sticker sheets. Let's see. So this is 2 sticker sheets. Very nice. Very, very nice. So do you order from Soto Studios? If you do, what are the things you like? Okay, I have an empty envelope here. Butterfly paper clips. I wonder if that fell out somewhere. Yes, it did. Here we go. I wanted to get a fancy clip to kind of hold my art journal open when I'm working in it. I love that. It's beautiful. All right, put that in there. This one says butterfly paper clip. I didn't think I ordered 2. Maybe I did. Maybe it came as a set of 2. This one, Antique Photo Charm. These are very heavy. Did not expect the... Okay, individually they're light, but collectively it's a heavy item. I love these kind of things for in my albums and in my journals. Okay, Junk Journal Ephemeral pack is vintage collage sheets. And let's take a look here. So we have old candles, vintage Santas, teddy bears, Christmas tree, and this is like washi tape stickers. Oh, I think those will be so nice in the art journals and junk journals, and it's very nice. I can hardly wait to start playing with these things. I think once I'm done with all of my craft fair stuff, I will have more time to devote to the creative art journals and such. Brick wall clear stamp. I thought this would work nice in junk journals. And there's two different types. You have your smaller bricks here and larger bricks here. Everything's just wrapped so nice. That takes a lot of extra time, I think, on their part. And I love that tissue paper. That is very pretty. Okay, this is hooked together. It says Winter Village. And all tied together nicely. And these are a bunch of different paper sheets. You could cut these down for Christmas cards. That would be very pretty. Use them in your art journals, in your albums, in your scrapbooking. Beautiful. Love that. Now these are a wider set. This is called Bird Song. And these are longer. You could fold these in half to create your journals, especially your junk journal sheets that you use different kinds of paper in. Beautiful. This says Botanical Clear Stamp. Now they're also, Soto Studios is also very affordable. These have a bunch of leaves, ferns, very nice for journaling and scrapbooking. Okay, this says Snowflake Magic Ephemera Mystery Kit. A bunch of snowflakes here. Move that out of the way so you can get a better look at these. So we have several of the blue snowflake. And it looks like we have some trees in a winter scene. Then we have some different papers that we can use for journaling, scrapbooking. Oh, and these have sayings on them and are frames that can be punched out. And this does not look like a sticker. It looks like you'll have to glue these down, which is totally fine. Some more beautiful papers. Let's see. These you could use for smaller cards, like thank you cards and thinking of you cards. That's beautiful. I love that. Okay, and some more papers. These are textured. And more papers. All different kinds. Kind of reminiscent of maybe homemade type paper. Well, a little thin for homemade, but just different fibers and stuff in them. And these are vellums. They're gorgeous. And these are textured, like they've been put through a embossing folder. It's pretty. Oh, and a postcard. How neat. Okay. So we'll get these put back in the envelope. And this is some more washi tape, and it's called Winter Serenity. See if there's a place to open it. Okay, so this has like a backing you're going to have to take off to stick it down. Back here, there's a backing that comes off. Lots of beautiful scenes there. Okay. Last one, decorative stencil. So let's see. Oh, and it's nicely wrapped to protect it. Oh, it comes out the top. All right. So we have some snowflakes and some winter branches. Both would be great in your art journals and your scrapbooks, your junk journals, all of that. All right. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do you buy from Soto? Let me know. I would love to hear from you and find out what things you've gotten from them and what you enjoy about this company. This is, I think, my second order from this company. So I will see you next time, and happy crafting, everyone.